Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel where we try to plant and, we learn some stuff, or try to anyway. So if you're into chilled, relaxed plant videos, hit the subscribe button and come hang out. So today I'm going to show you week 5 of the seedlings I started. So then for the ones I had to restart, that would be week 2. It doesn't matter. And we are going to have to, I think, transplant some of these seedlings because they're getting really big and I'm afraid they're getting root bound, and that's apparently bad. I don't really know exactly why, but I heard it was. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna turn you around, show you the plants, and get to it. Alrighty. Alright guys, so this is what they look like when you take off the lid. And yeah, so this is why I think we definitely need to take some of the stuff out at least. Some stuff are still restarting, but all this bigger stuff, we gotta figure something else out. Yeah, so I'm gonna pull them all out of here onto the table, and then I'll give you a better look. See you in a bit. Okay guys, so we have the plants that I'm gonna repot, or some of them at least, and then I have some plants that are gonna stay in there. You guys wanna see something that looks gross? Look at all the algae. Ew, but it doesn't smell bad. I guess that's just from all the herbs in here. So just a quick review of what I'm going to keep in here for now. I'm going to keep the chives in there, cilantro, the other type of chives, spearmint, rosemary, sage, lavender, lemon balm, parsley, tarragon, dill. So these guys haven't done anything still, so I don't know if I got to restart those or what. And artichoke started, mustard, Italian parsley, thyme, chamomile, Brussels sprouts are a little leggy, but they're alright, arugula roquette, and the Italian oregano hasn't done anything. So, what I use to base on whether or not I'm going to repot them or not is if there are roots coming out of the bottom. So this one doesn't have any roots out of the bottom, so they can stay. And I'm doing that because these guys have a lot of roots. Like, I just redid this. Well, I didn't just redo it, but the roots are already at the bottom. And I think that's because there's water at the bottom of the bin. But, yeah, so we have roots. We've got roots. So I'm going to set you guys on the tripod, and we're just going to speed through this with some relaxing music because, yeah, why not? Alrighty guys, see you in a bit. Alright guys, so I have it all set up. The stuff I put into the bigger pots that fit in the bin, I put in. These guys, I'm pretty sure, like trailing or vining, except for the corn. Yeah, I left the herbs in as they were because I want to put them all in one pot to kind of make like a little herb garden and see if that'll save me some space. Hopefully I didn't kill or shock all of the little seedlings that I put in here. Going forward, I'm not going to be using those little tray things. They're just too annoying to work with. And yeah, so this is like the most this is like the best, I guess, crop I've ever grown before. And I think part of that is because it's in my general area. I think because my apartment is so small, I'm constantly seeing them, so I'm constantly giving them water if they need it and stuff like that. So yeah, we'll see what happens, and if any of these actually bear fruit or not. But until next time, guys, relax, plant, and peace out.